In the survey level of the terrain modeling environment, draw the terrain perimeter. Select your land survey DXF and DWG CAD file to load. Specify a scale factor. Now position the CAD file with reference to the terrain perimeter. Activate the elevation nodes entity. And select Auto Generation from DXF and DWG. Trace a selection box to auto-detect the elevation points and the relating heights. If the DXF, DWG CAD file is a 3D model, the elevation nodes are recognized automatically. If the DXF, DWG CAD file is a simple 2D drawing, the elevation node values need to be inserted manually in the Properties toolbox or in 3D view.